Our friends at 49th and Market have been at it again. This time they've come up with a butter mini collection. Now these collections are in 12 by 12, so there's butter and lilac. And they have similar components in that you're going to get 4 double-sided sheets. I'll show you. You're also going to get laser cut imagery, so that's really fun. On the back of the cover sheet, you also get a bonus. So there is another sheet with a border. When you trim off that border, you're going to have a 12 by 12 sheet, but you also have a fun border. Let me show you the others. Daffodils, of course, as being yellow. You can see lots of collage going on. When I turn this over, you can see that border, as well as the stitched ones on the back. We've got more beautiful flowers, and if you are a scrapbooker, well, you know that that's going to be perfect for your photos. If you're a card maker, take a look. Think of this in terms of quarters. So this can be a card, this can be another. Here's room for another card, and then you've got more of a kind of a buttery background for another card, or use it on the inside. Plus you have the option of the other side. This has a border of tickets, so that's a fun embellishment. Aren't those pretty? Very subtle but very lovely. There we have the back side of it. We have some faux stitching going on, and then we have this, more very subtle flowers and leaves on the back side and all over floral with some words down on that border. Then we get to the laser cut images. There are 2 sheets. There are a total of 46 laser cut images. Now you can see these popping up. They're just going to pop right out of that backing sheet. I love the lace. I think that's a wonderful addition. And let me show you. You also have these, so even more going on. These butterflies and clocks will pop out, and then you can use this and even fold it if you want to, or trim it apart and use it as you see fit. So 46 of these laser cut images, all coordinating perfectly with our butter mini collection, but we're not done. Also, 49th and Market has their washi strips. Now, rather than on a roll with a whole bunch that's left, what they give you is a total of 7 different designs on 2 sheets. They are 7 1/4 inches long, so really nice length for any project that you're working on. And the images, or the washi tape, just lifts up like this. And they're kind of translucent, so they work beautifully with the papers, as you would expect. And then they have also done a set of ephemera, and the ephemera has 34 pieces. So let me show you. We've got some smaller ones and pieces that pop out of those centers, making frames. We've got tickets, we've got tabs, we have all these things have just a bit of the butter on them, so they're just going to work perfectly. Some doilies in a couple of sizes. In fact, many of the imagery does come in multiple sizes. You see this envelope, well, there's a larger one in here too. There's a Viewmaster, and then there's a smaller one. And more tickets, just lots. There's that larger envelope. Some beautiful artwork that's going to be very fun to add to your project. So as you can see, they're all just really, really fun to play with. So this is the butter mini collection. Papers, washi tape, and ephemera, all perfectly coordinated.